Hi everyone, I just got this Tianzong 7-piece packing cube set, and I'm so impressed with how organized and easy it made my packing. You can see how nicely all the bags are laid out. The set comes with 2 large cubes, 1 medium cube, 1 small cube, 1 toiletry bag, 1 shoe bag, and 1 drawstring bag. It's perfect for keeping everything in its place. The material feels lightweight yet durable, and it's waterproof, so your clothes stay protected even if your suitcase or backpack gets wet. I also love the mesh top because you can see what's inside without having to open every cube. While packing, everything fit neatly into my suitcase. No more messy piles or searching for items. I used 1 cube for tops, another for pants, 1 for underwear, and the shoe bag for my sneakers. Everything stays compact and wrinkle-free. The zippers are sturdy and smooth, and I really appreciate the strong handles that make each cube easy to grab and move. The toiletry pouch is also super handy for skincare, travel-size bottles, and accessories. They're machine washable too, which is great for keeping them fresh after a trip. Overall, I'm really happy with this set. It's affordable, great quality, and makes packing so much faster and more enjoyable. Definitely a must-have for travel lovers.